While the victim's family and investigators wept and hugged each other, convicted killer Kelly Cochran stood emotionless and almost smirked as she was let out of the courtroom. Tuesday afternoon, Cochran was found guilty of 5 total felony counts, including first-degree murder, aiding and abetting, after she lured her lover and victim Chris Reagan to her house so her now-deceased husband could shoot him. According to former Iron River Police Chief Laura Frizzo, who took the missing person complaint for Reagan, it was the outcome they were looking for.
I feel that justice was served today for the family of Chris Reagan, and that was our goal, was to bring justice to the family.
Over the past few weeks, the prosecution had alleged that the Cochrans killed due to a murder pact they had made on their wedding night. If one of them was unfaithful, they would have to kill the lover, or their spouse could kill them.
Jason Cochran and Kelly Cochran are bonded in blood. That bond only got stronger after Chris's death.
Throughout the investigation, Cochran had multiple different stories about what had happened. When first approached about the investigation of Reagan's disappearance, she said she had no idea what happened to him. And during the investigation, she said that she and her husband were serial killers. On the stand, she said those were lies, stories that she had made up to look like a monster.
I would consider myself a monster because here I am, I'm here, and he's not. If he would have never met me, he'd be here today.
Cochran's defense was that her husband had killed Reagan without her knowledge. She was a victim of her husband's abuse, which had gone as far as pointing loaded guns at her head. Prosecution disputed this, saying that Cochran had made no attempt to get help, even in the presence of law enforcement, and even confronted her husband via text about him going through her possessions. In Iron County, Kelly Cochran faces sentencing in May. However, she also faces charges for the death of her husband, Jason Cochran, in Indiana. Reporting in Crystal Falls, Matt Miller, ABC 10 CW 5.